So I recently made carne en su jugo, and a lot of you asked me if I can make one with lentils. So today I'm gonna show you how to make delicious lentejas en su jugo. They're so delicious. In a pot set to medium heat with 7 cups of boiling water, I'm gonna add 1 pound of lentejas. Add some salt, cover and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until desired tenderness. It's been 15 minutes, they're now ready, and I'm gonna set them to the side. In a pan set to medium heat, I'm gonna fry 1 pound of bacon. We fry until crispy. It's been 12 minutes, our bacon is ready, and I'm gonna set it to the side. In that same oil, I'm gonna saute 5 chile güeros and some green onions for a few minutes. After 7 minutes, they're ready, and we remove them from the oil. Before we cook the meat, I'm gonna remove some of the excess oil. Now in the same pan set to medium heat, I'm gonna cook 2 pounds of carne ranchera. Season with the blend seasoning, which is a mixture of black pepper, garlic, and salt. Give it a mix, and we don't wanna fry the meat. We only wanna seal it in its juice. Cover it up and cook. While it cooks, I'm gonna start making the salsa. To a pot set to medium heat, I'm gonna add 1.5 pounds of tomatillos and 4 jalapeños. Add boiling water just until everything's covered, and we boil until the tomatillos change color. It's been 5 minutes, and as you can see, the tomatillos changed color. Now I'm gonna add everything into the blender along with 2 cups of the boiling water from where we boiled the tomatillos, and a small bunch of cilantro, 1/4 of a white onion, 3 garlic cloves, and 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Now we blend. The meat has been cooking for 10 minutes. I'm gonna check on it, and as you can see, it's juicy, and that's what we're looking for. Now we can add in the salsa. Give it a mix, and this is the perfect time to see if you need more chicken bouillon. We add back in the bacon, and I'm gonna reserve some for the end. I'm also gonna add in the cebollitas and the chile güeros. And now we add in the lentejas. Mix well, cover it up, and cook for another 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, they're now ready. And look at this, guys, they look so delicious. I love lentejas. This is one of my favorites. And now I'm gonna serve myself. I like to top it off with some of the bacon we set aside, cilantro, some onion, some radishes, and last, some avocado. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers. One of my favorite dishes, guys. If you haven't tried it, you definitely need to, and let me know what you guys think. And there you have it, delicious lentejas en su jugo. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.